A very good morning to all the students of class 9. Hope you all have seen chapter 9, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Now, in part 5, we are going to see the directive principles that are divided into the various sections. First of all, is the principle related to economic policy. See, for the modification of economic, when make a change in there should be a modify in the economic policy. There are certain principles which were given below. First one, equal distribution of wealth and resource among all classes for the welfare of the citizen. See, there was equal distribution was given to the wealth and the resources of all the classes. Why? For the welfare of the citizen. The second one, assets and production of resources should not be distributed. See, the production and assets were they should not be distributed among certain group or any section. They should be administered by the state only. Equal pay for equal work for both man and women. See, equal pay, the work which is done by man or a woman, they should paid equal for their work. Provisions for good health for laborer working at place should be created. See, they are the people who are working as a laborer should be provided, should be looked after their good health. And because of financial contracts, the man, women, and young children working at unhygienic places or were health matters are retorted should not be allowed to happen. See, the people who are working, man, women, or any young children, they might be working at the unhygienic places or the health related to their health matter. They are retorted and should not allowed to happen this thing. The next is state should promote cooperation and administration of industrial units by labor. See, the state should see that there is a corporation in administration in which of industrial units of the labors. Protection of children, there should be the protection of children, youth against what exploitation which is going on and which is against the moral and material abandonment, and to live a healthy and dignified environment, and they need to live in a healthy and a clean environment. This principle should be developed by state. Relief and leave at the time of delivery should be provided to women. See, there should be a relief also, and leave should be granted to the women during the delivery time. And the workers insurance, bonus, maternity leave, gratuity, and other all the legal rights, they should be included in the policy. And to organize agricultural and animal husbandry on modern and scientific line, and to prohibit the slaughters of cows and other useful milk producing cattle are draft. See what happened, the all the agriculture, to organize all the agriculture and the animal husbandry and the modern, they should go on a modern and a scientific line for the production, and they should prohibit the slaughters of cow and other also useful animals, cattle for their milk producing. And the draft should be drawn for the livestock breeder, and there should be a draft drawn for this breed like donkey, bullocks, cows for halting the slaughters. Equal legal rights to all. See, all each and every person should be given equal right. State should organize free legal service. They should organize free legal service to the desired citizen who are financially feeble as well as incapable in getting so. The second one is principle related to social policy. Weaker section of the society, that is the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and backward class, educational and economic rights should be confirmed with should be taken in concern by the state. See, the people who are at the weaker section like the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe people, or the backward class, they should be given a proper education and the economic rights also, and which is confirmed by the state, and they should be protected by social exploitation and injustice also. Uniform civil code should be concerned for all the citizen of the country. See, all the citizen of the country should be concerned for uniform civil code, and thereby dispersing and administrating justice, and the justice should be there to all, which should be taken in concern by the state. Steps should be taken for social justice. See, there are the different states that should be taken for the social justice in the matter of marriage, divorce, adoption, juvenile assets, and properties by the state. The state should make provisions for the support and education in matter what of right to employment, old age, illness, or inauspicious situation, poverty, etc. Principle related to the international and political policy. In this, we'll discuss about the international and political policy. See, Panchayat Raj should be established by the state. See, the state should establish a Panchayat Raj, for which there will be a proper leadership, officers and financial heads. The officers will be there, the leaders will be there. They should be provided to conduct the work in a free way, of their own way. The second is the state should separate its service from corporate mindedness, and it should be in liberty. See, the state should also separate its service also, their service also, and they should be in a liberty, so that the judgment they can be impartial, fearless, and courageous in rendering judgment. And the state should make attempts, they should make an attempt to maintain international peace. There should be an international peace, security, to establish for what a fair relation between nation, and to increase their respect in the of international laws. Principles related to education and cultural policies. See, there should be a free and compulsory education to the children at the age group of what, between 6 to 14 years, and that is mentioned, this thing, free to education, is being mentioned in the constitution, and that is also a fundamental right to education since 2009. To preserve and protect state heritage. See, we should also preserve our culture, heritage also, state heritage, artifacts, monuments, whichever are there, cultural places, arts and building. This all should be preserved and protected by us. The state should protect this cultural heritage, and in this the state should look after, and they should protect this cultural heritage places from distortion. Means they should be in, they should from what, from the changes or twist with happening, robbery, transitioning, disposal, or deteriorating. And the state should should have the aim for preserving the cultural and historical legal legacies. See, they should have, the states should have the aims, they should have the aims to protect and preserve this our cultural heritage. The next is principle related to health policies. The principles which are related to our health policies are public wellness and hygiene should be provided along with provisions. See, our health and hygiene is most important, and that should be provided along the provisions, and the provisions should be given for better nutrition and health amendments for the people by the state. See what happened, the people should be given the better nutritions and health amenities, for which the people of the state should look after it. Prohibition on harmful drugs. There should be a prohibition on harmful drugs, harmful soft drinks which are not good for a health, and the drugs should be done by the, this all should be done by the state, and this should be further banned, and this should be banned as it will create health hazard for the public. And to preserve the environment with latest amendments. See, the environment, there should be a latest amendments, and thereby taking care of our forest, of the forest and vegetation, and should be the policy of the state. The next is hygienic environment should be maintained in the working areas of labor. There should be a hygiene. The health issues health is more important. So the atmosphere should be healthy, in which environment they are working, the workers, the laborers should be hygienic, and they should have social cultural development at the time of leisure. When there is a leisure time, free time, there should be a social and cultural development also. Entertainment provision should be there. There should be a entertainment provision which will help them to maintain mental health also, and this provision should be kept in concern by the state. Thus, this principle provide guardians to the state to take lead towards establishment of equality. By taking all this provides a guardians with the to the state, and they have to take a lead towards the establishment of there will be the equal, just and social order without any exploitation. No exploitation will be seen. The directive principle envisage future society. See, by directive principle we can envisage our future society, and they guide us to the direction that we should go, and they will help us where to go and lead us to our destination. The upliftment of the society and protection of society will be taken care by the state. See, our society to move it upward and to protect also to our society, all this care will be taken by the state. And the fundamental rights limits the state leadership, while directive principle they all extend to the state leadership. And the fundamental rights makes the existence of democracy. See, this fundamental right only makes the existence of our democracy. And while directive principle of society and finance impart, when this principle, directive principle is there of society and the finance, they impart the aim of what? Interrelations of democracy. And there is no opposition, there won't be any opposition between them, and both of them, they both can complete each other. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.